ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Hi, my name is Rob Clayton. The Australian dollar still manages to hold within the range of 71.95 to 72.55, with the technical appearance now looking for another down challenge. A break beneath 71.95 reopens the objective of 71.20 to 35, which I still at this stage support for the move. A break beneath here would see the next objective of 69.50. With that said, if this pattern continues, then a bullish move could come through into the next 12 hours, and it would need to see a break above 72.55 to 73.20.45 to get that next bull move, which would see a target of 75 cents. However, the shape of this pattern is a little concerning as it's rounding, and also the oscillator is actually starting to move up. But the clue to the upside will be from a break of 73.20.45. However, like I mentioned, the intraday is looking for a down move, and if we do get a break of 71.95, then as I say, next target will come in at 71.20 to 35. Well, the bulls returned overnight very aggressively, however, was stopped from the resistance of 112.40.50. And from the show to the downside, now looks for a further move with the objective holding towards 111.45 to 110.50.60. It is seen from 110.50.60 of an exposure to 107.40.60 if breached. But that said, like the Aussie, we can see here the oscillator is actually picking up. And if we get a move beyond 112.40.50, then the next resistance comes in at 113.35.45, and it is only here that a break would expose the move to 114.10.90. But that said, from the rejection from last night, I still favour a down move to that 110.50.60 and reassess from there. Well, dollar yen story still bearish, and it manages to break beneath that 108.70 level. On the day, I expect to see further weakness to 108.40 and then lower to 107.60 to 106.80 with an objective of 105.20.60. The reason behind that is you can see this oscillator here is clearly supporting the move down, and also the failed upside attempt should now find resistance around 109.50 to 110.15.20. The sterling still looks like we're in a bearish phase here as the stochastic breaks down further, should I say, and looks towards the support of 143.80. Now a break there would expose the next target, which could lie between 143.10 to 142 figure 20. Looking towards the top side, resistance now comes in at 144.60.70 and harder or firmer at 145.25.35. And wrapping up with gold, well, the story still looks negative, and from the overnight's challenge, once again fails towards that 12.17 region. Now looks for a move towards 12.06 and lower to 1198, or even lower to the key support level, which is seen at 1190. Now do note, if we get a break there, I view the market will fall heavily to an objective around 1130 to 1160. What would negate this view is a break above 1224. This would inject further momentum to 1236, but I view that this will fail towards 1224 and still keep the downside objective as the vulnerability of 1190. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you have a great weekend.